down here. Deeply gets my hair.
Very cool. Roadside Waterfall. Get to the other side of this tree, be able to see up there. We're gonna hike all the way up there. Let's see what this cave he's talking about. Oh, I'm going in.
Slight?
What's that?
Oh, slight?
Yeah, that rock is for sure. That and my boots absolutely covered in dirt, so.
Yeah, that's not us.
Oh yeah, it is. That's been digging for a while, man.
Yeah.
Look how old that big rock is right there. They built this a long time ago.
That's cool.